Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I am recreating a salmon dish that I had. My sister-in-law makes the very best salmon I have ever tasted. She's just a good cook all around. You ain't had nothing till you had her ribs. But anyway, I am making salmon and she made this, her and Jalen made this in a previous video. I'll link that video at the end. It was from Christmas. So I will link that video at the end of this one. But I am recreating or trying to recreate her salmon, and I believe it's going to be very tasty. So come along and I'll show you how to make succulent salmon. All right, first of all, we're going to season this with Old Bay. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little Old Bay on top of each piece. I'm just going to make 3 pieces today for me, my husband, and my son. And tomorrow I will probably make that plank end. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Old Bay. And then next, I'm going to use a little bit of lemon pepper. So I'm going to sprinkle that on. Don't overdo it because salmon is a delicate dish and it does not need a lot of seasoning. And right now I'm going to do it off camera because I'm holding this with my hand. I don't have my tripod with me. Black pepper. I'm going to grind it on here and I'll be back. So here it is with the black ground pepper on. So the total seasonings were Old Bay seasonings, lemon pepper, and black ground pepper. Over on the stove top, I have a medium saucepan with olive oil and a little bit of butter. And this is probably about, I'm sorry I did not, just enough to cover the bottom. So I would say that is less than 1/4 of, I would say 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. And you just want to kind of coat the bottom of the pan. This is a medium sized little saucepan. It's non-stick. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, this has been heating over medium heat. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the salmon over so we can sear it on one side. Not on high heat, just on medium heat. I'm going to get it browned and a little seared. That way we can get it in the oven. Okay, we're getting the salmon flesh side down into the pan. Turn this way. Hopefully it can fit in here good. There we go. There we go. And get it brown and a little seared on that side, and probably about 3 minutes or so, and then I'll be back. Okay, they should be about ready. It's been about 3.5, 4 minutes, and oh my, look at that. Look at that. So we're going to put it over here on this foil lined sheet. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we have them right over here, all together there. So we have a little bit of the butter oil mixture here in the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and just put this over the salmon. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and get it into a 400-degree preheated oven for about 9 to 10 minutes. My sister-in-law did hers, I think it was like 12 to 14 minutes, but her pieces were thicker. So I'm going to do about 9 or 10 minutes for these thinner pieces, but don't they look so good? Anyway, going to get them into the oven. It's ready. And they are looking good out of the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this around some. So we're gonna do orange and lemon. Just gonna spritz a little bit of the orange on top. Then a little bit of lemon. Just a little bit. Got a lemon seed on there. And now we're going to do 3 pats of butter right on top. Put that on just like that. And I'm just gonna give it a little bath in the butter before I put it back in the oven. Just a little bit, set it right back on top, and that way it'll drizzle down both sides. Do the same with this one. And we're good to go. I turned the oven off already. It's going back in the oven. I'm just going to hood this a little bit. And since the oven is still real hot, and I don't want to cook the salmon, just want to keep it warm while I plate up the rice and the broccoli. I'm going to put it back in the oven, but I'm going to leave the oven door open some. You don't want to dry the salmon out. The salmon is out of the oven, and here it is. Looks delicious. And here is the salmon all plated up with cilantro, lime, rice, also served with broccoli, sauteed in garlic and onion, and butter. So it was delicious.